Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on dog with hat. Before we begin, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a free link in the description below. It's a no-brainer, guys. We have been killing it in the group. Also, do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, dog with hat is currently ranked number 61. The price is at $1.97, and the market cap is currently sitting right below 2 billion, 1.97 billion to be exact. Dog with hat has been experiencing a deep pullback. During the past 7 days, we've seen approximately a 30% retrace. But I really think that this is an amazing buying opportunity, guys, and I am going to show you why in this video. So bear with me. This is the chart. We are looking at WIF over USDT daily chart on Binance. Overall, we have this head and shoulders idea going on. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and we are currently trying to complete this right shoulder. Many people argue that this head and shoulders idea is not valid anymore, but I don't think so. If we take a look at this left shoulder, we see that the lowest point of this left shoulder was all the way down here, a bounce on this horizontal key level of support that's located at $1.96. As you see, now that we are trying to complete this right shoulder, the price action is currently bouncing on this level. We broke below it, but buyers stepped in and pushed the price action right above it again. So if the price action stays above this level, that's going to be a very good sign. Watch for a bounce here. If we break below this and stay below, then I am going to start talking about how this head and shoulders idea is not valid anymore. But until then, I think that this head and shoulders pattern is still in play. Eventually, in the long term, what I really want to see is the price action to experience some kind of consolidation down here, and then I want WIF to start moving up towards the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern, and eventually I want it to break above, buy the breakout, buy the retest, wait for a continuation move to the upside to hit the rest of the targets. In the long term, I expect WIF to surpass first $5, then $6, and then $7. These are the long-term targets for dog with hat. For now, if we zoom in, I have a few new targets that you should be paying attention. And I am going to show you why it's very possible that the price action might have escaped its downtrend. If you zoom in to the 15-minute chart, so we can see this better, look at this, guys. I see this trend line that the price action has been respecting the past few days. Dog with hat has been downtrending, moving inside this channel that I have here on the chart. We have this lower descending red trend line that has been acting as support. As you see, we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, the most recent one. And then we have this upper descending red trend line that has been acting as resistance. We had a rejection here, another rejection here, another rejection, another rejection, another rejection, rejection after rejection. So this is a very clear downtrend, right? You can see this. So what is happening here is that we basically saw a higher high right here, and then we saw a lower high right here, then another lower high, and another lower high, and again. And also we have been putting lower lows. Look at this. We started here. This is the higher low, and then we have a lower low, and another lower low, another lower low, and this one, the most recent one. So this is what it means to be in a downtrend, guys, when we put lower highs and lower lows continuously. However, the price action recently managed to break out of this downtrend. We had a nice breakout, and we are currently retesting this key level of support at the moment that previously acted as resistance. So this is a very possible SR flip, as we like to call it. The price action broke out of this downtrend above this channel, but also it broke above this horizontal level at $1.96, and we are currently retesting it. Very bullish. So what we want to see is a bounce here. This is the 15-minute chart, guys. So in the short term, we might have broken out of this downtrend, which is very bullish. This might be the beginning of a bullish move. That if you zoom out on the daily chart, you can see we have this head and shoulders pattern again. So since we broke out of this downtrend on the 15-minute chart, it's very possible that we might see something like a higher low very soon, So this is going to be the lower low, and we might see another higher low somewhere around this area, escaping this downtrend. And after a period of consolidation, maybe the price action might start moving up again. So for those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, this might be a very good idea for you if you want to front run the breakout above this head and shoulders pattern. Of course, front running the breakout is riskier, but it's more rewarding. If you want to trade this in a more safe manner, you should wait for the price action to do its thing first, and you might want to consider buying when we break above the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern. That's the safest option, at least in my view, to buy the breakout. But look at this, guys. Let me show you why trying to front run the breakout can be way more profitable. If you buy the breakout of this neckline somewhere around this area, the measured move to the first target at $4.98, that's a 13% move. While if you try to front run the breakout and you buy all the way down here at this key level of support that we are currently testing, the measured move to the first target, that's a 155% move. Also the same thing, if you buy the breakout, the measured move to the second target at $6, that's only a 38% move. While if you try to buy all the way down here trying to front run the breakout, that's a 210% move approximately. And again, the measured move from the breakout to the last target at $7.22, $7.22, that's a 63% move after the breakout. While if you try to front run the breakout, buying all the way down here, higher risk, higher reward play, you see that this move to this last target that we have here on the chart, that's a 270% move. That's why trying to front run a breakout can be way more profitable, guys, even though riskier. WIF has a market cap of $2 billion already. So it needs some kind of liquidity to flow into it in order to make big moves. It's a heavy token. It's not going to move easily. But in the long term, I really think that this pattern is going to play out and we are going to break above the neckline and keep moving in price discovery. That's why this is a very good buying opportunity in my eyes. And if you zoom out even more, guys, you see that we are currently buying range lows, right? Look at this. The best time to enter, the best time to buy WIF was all the way down here. This consolidation period, which is basically the bottom of this head. This was the best entry. But if you missed this, the price action gives you another opportunity. We had a pullback trying to retest this upper part of the range that's located at $1.96. Look at this again, guys. If you zoom in to the 15-minute chart, you see that the price action has broken out this downtrend. So we might be looking at a higher low right here. This is the lower low, and this is a possible higher low. Very bullish. Change of trend. Just like we have been putting lower highs and lower lows during the downtrend, this might be the beginning of a change of trend where we put something like this. Look, higher highs and higher lows during an uptrend. Lower low, higher low, another higher low, something like that among these lines. And then again, we have a lower high. We might see a higher high and another higher high, something like that on the 15-minute chart. And if this plays out, we are going to see some bullish momentum on the daily chart. And that's why this is an amazing buying opportunity in my eyes when it comes to WIF. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what is your price prediction for WIF for 2025? That's all I had for you today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.